Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how we can view the competitor tracking on Tool4seller app. So for viewing the competitor tracking we just need to open the Tool4seller app. So after opening the app we just need to go to the research section. On the bottom you can see the research right here. So if you reach here we just need to go to the in the operation section. We can just see the competitor tracking right here. Just tap on it. So this is where we can view the competitor tracking on Tool4seller app. So here we can add the tracking right here. So if you add the tracking we can just see the product details right here. So this is where we can view the competitor tracking on Tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.